In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently archive cards in Trello, making sure your project board stays neat and organized. Whether you're a long-time Trello user or just getting started, knowing how to manage your cards effectively can save you time and streamline your workflow. So, grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to your project board. If you're already familiar with Trello, you'll know that this is the hub of your project management, where all your tasks, notes, and updates live. Once you're on the project board, you'll see your various lists and cards, each representing different tasks or pieces of information. What we're focusing on today is archiving these cards, which can help keep your board organized. With your project board open, the next thing you want to do is choose the card you intend to archive. This card might be a completed task or something that no longer needs your immediate attention. Simply right-click on the card to bring up a contextual menu. You'll notice several options here, but what we're interested in today is the archive option. Archiving in Trello is a great way to declutter your board without permanently deleting items in case you need to reference them later. Now, click on Archive to move the card out of your active board and into the archives. It's a simple, one-click step that instantly tidies up your board, making it easier to focus on active projects without distractions. Archived items can always be retrieved later, so don't worry about losing information. Alternatively, if you prefer a more detailed review of each card before archiving it, simply click on the card itself to open it. This approach allows you to see all the associated details, comments, and attachments before deciding. It's particularly helpful when dealing with complex projects where each card might have multiple layers of information. Once the card is open, look to the right-hand side of the card where you'll find a menu. You'll notice 3 small dots indicating more options available to you. Click on these dots to reveal an extended menu, providing additional functionality for your card. Within this menu, you should again find the archive option. Clicking this when you're ready will achieve the same result as before, archiving your card and clearing it from your active view. Remember, archiving doesn't delete your card, it simply moves it to a hidden state, ensuring your board remains streamlined and organized while preserving the card's details. And there you have it. Archiving cards in Trello is as easy as that. With these simple steps, you're now equipped to maintain a cleaner project board, focus on your current priorities, and boost your productivity. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.